Hello everyone, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. Today in this video I am going to talk about inductive effect and hyperconjugations, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. So friends, let us start inductive effects and hyperconjugations. So what is inductive effects? Inductive effects are electronic effects that occur through sigma bond caused by electronegativity differences of atom. Electron donor groups stabilize a positive charge. Electron donor groups stabilize positive charge. Electrons withdrawing groups stabilize negative charge. Just donor group stabilize positive charge, or withdrawing groups stabilize negative charge. So the following is the partial list of inductive electron withdrawing groups: Nr3 plus, NO2 plus, sulfone, nitrile, acid, carbonyl, alcohol, ether, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In contrast, only a few groups are electron donating relative to the hydrogens because of their inductive effects. Two of these are carbon rich because of their negative charged oxygen atom. In addition, alkyl groups such as CH3 and CH2CH3 behave as weak electron donating groups in many situations. So you can see here. So carbocation stabilities: tertiary carbocation greater stable than secondary carbocation, then primary carbocation, then methyl cation, increasing stability. You can see the hyperconjugations: spreading out charge by overlap of an empty p orbital with an adjacent sigma bond is called hyperconjugation. A second explanation for observed trend in carbocation stability is based on orbital overlap. A 3-degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree than 1 degree or methyl carbocation because positive charge is delocalized over more than one atom. For example, CH3 cation cannot be stabilized by hyperconjugation, but CH3 whole 2CH plus can. You can see here. This carbocation has no opportunity for orbital overlap with the vacant p orbitals. Overlap of CH sigma bond with the adjacent vacant p orbital stabilizes the carbocation. Now carbocation stability. Stabilized by alkyl substituents in two ways: inductive effect, donation of electron density along the sigma bond; hyperconjugation, overlap of sigma bonding orbital with empty p orbitals. Carbon reactive intermediate: carbocation, radicals, carbanion and carbene. Carbocation structure: you can see top view, sp2p orbital, sp2p overlapping sp2 are hydrogens overlapping, and then this is the vacant p orbital, this is the side p. So carbon has 6 electrons positively charged, and carbon is sp2 hybridized with vacant p orbitals. Now carbocation stability, you can see 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree and methyl. This is the free radicals, odd electrons, also electron deficient, stabilized by alkyl substituents. Order of stability 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree in methyl. You can see here. Now carbanion 8 electrons on carbon, 6 bonding plus 1 lone pair. Carbon has a negative charge, destabilized by alkyl substituents. Methyl greater than 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. So carbene, non-bonding electrons paired in this sp2 orbital, sp2 hybridized, empty p orbitals. Carbon is neutral, vacant p orbital, so can be electrophilic. lone pair of electrons, so can be nucleophilic. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.